Let's take one more problem. Okay, and the statement is this: the number of particles given by n, and n is equal to this, are crossing a unit area perpendicular to x axis in unit time. Mean this n is number of particles crossing unit area in unit time. Number of particles n crossing unit area perpendicular to x axis in unit time. तो n जो है, n का नेचर जो है, that is number of particles crossing unit area in unit time. Okay, n1 and n2 are number of particles per unit volume. n1 और n2 का जो dimensional formula आएगा, that will be calculated like this: number of particles per unit volume. Okay, for the values of x meant to be x1 and x2, okay, along x-axis, okay, the particles are moving. So x1 and x2 are the coordinates. Okay, तो x1 and x2 are the coordinates. अगर हम इस डिनोमिनेटर की बात करें तो coordinate minus coordinate, that gives us length. Okay, now let's solve this problem. Now as given, n, what is n? Number of particles per unit area per unit time. Per unit area per unit time. Per unit time. Now dimensional formula for n. N is number of particle. Number will be a dimensionless thing. Okay, क्योंकि सिंपल एक नंबर है. Number of particles per unit area, per unit in denominator, per unit. Okay, area per unit time also in denominator. Okay, so 1 area is L square and time के लिए dimensional formula is T. तो dimensional formula for n is L minus 2 T minus 1. Okay, now the next part is n1 and n2. n1 and n2 are number of particles per unit volume. Number of particles per unit volume. Okay, तो n1 and n2 का dimensional formula जो बनेगा that will be n1 and n2 दोनों का dimensional formula. Number of particles, नंबर तो dimensionless होगा ना, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, डिनोमिनेटर में वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा, पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम 1/L क्यूब. तो डिमेंशनल फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस इज L minus 3. Okay, now the remaining thing is x1 and x2. x1 and x2 are the coordinates. x1 and x2 are coordinates along x-axis, this is given. Okay, and we have to find dimensional formula for the D, diffusion constant. Okay, now dimensional formula for n is L minus 2 and T minus 1. Okay, is equal to नेगेटिव के लिए कुछ नहीं डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला में है. ठीक है, तो नेगेटिव स्किप करो. डी डिफ्यूजन कांस्टेंट के लिए डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला फाइंड करना है. n2 minus n1. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज Mango minus mango will be mango. Velocity minus velocity will be velocity. Okay, time minus time will be time. Principle of homogeneity. So whatever will be the dimensional formula for n1 and n2, that same will be the dimensional formula for n1 minus n2. n1 and n2 are L minus 3. Okay, and here in denominator we have n2 minus n1. So that will be L minus 3. Okay, now x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1, coordinate minus coordinate will be giving you length. Okay, so now diffusion constant is equal to L minus 2 T minus 1 into L over L minus 3, and we are getting like this. Okay, we are getting this L minus 2. Okay, and this is L. Okay, तो ये 3 ऊपर जाएगा तो L क्यूब बनेगा, और ये ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे 1 एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, L4 बन जाएगा बेटा, L4 टाइम माइनस 1. ओके, तो सॉल्विंग दिस वी आर गेटिंग, दिस इंप्लाइज, ये डिफ्यूजन कांस्टेंट के लिए फॉर्मूला, दिस इंप्लाइज डिफ्यूजन कांस्टेंट हैज डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला L. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, पावर्स विल बी एडेड, L square and T minus 1. Hope this is clear. Yeah, you just have to concentrate in the situation. Okay, कुछ भी नहीं है. Fine. Now, one more problem. Assuming that critical velocity, we see critical velocity, basic nature will be velocity of a viscous liquid flowing through a capillary tube depends on, velocity depends on radius of the tube, density of the liquid, and coefficient of viscosity of the liquid. Use method of dimensions to obtain a relation between these quantities. We have to derive a relation for critical velocity, okay, when it is depending on radius, density, and viscosity. Critical velocity depending on radius, density, and viscosity, coefficient of viscosity. Okay, so what I told you, equality, then a constant from our side. Okay, let radius raised to the power A, density raised to the power B, and coefficient of viscosity raised to the power C. Now what will you be doing? Principle of homogeneity again. Okay, dimensional formula for left hand side and dimensional formula for right hand side. Both sides the dimensional formula has to be same. Now taking these all quantities one by one. Now critical velocity is basically velocity, so its formula, dimensional formula will be LT minus 1. Okay, radius will be measured in terms of length, L. Density is mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume mean mass over volume. मैंने इसको देखो कैसे रीड किया, मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, जो डिनोमिनेटर में होता है उसको पर यूनिट बोलते हैं, पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. मास के लिए m, वॉल्यूम के लिए L क्यूब, एंड आई एम गेटिंग ml minus 3. ओके, नाउ eta, coefficient of viscosity. Okay, coefficient of viscosity is, already I told you, ml minus 1 T minus 1. Okay, now placing these all dimensional formulas, okay, this, okay, at the places. Okay, this is critical velocity. Critical velocity is L T minus 1 is equal to constant K, R radius, L raised to the power A. Now density, ml minus 3 raised to the power B. Okay, then third thing is eta, coefficient of viscosity, ml minus 1 t minus 1 raised to the power c. अब क्या करना है? Now we have to segregate mass, length and time this side, mass, length and time this side. Okay, mass raised to the power 0 this side, length 1, t minus 1. Now this side will be k. Now mass raised to the power b, mass raised to the power c. So when mass raised to the power b and mass raised to the power c will be multiplied, powers will be added together. Mass raised to the power b plus c. Length raised to the power a, length raised to the power minus 3b, okay, and length raised to the power minus c. Multiply होगा तो bases are same, so power will be added together. Length a minus 3b, okay, minus 3 raised to the power b, तो powers multiply होंगी. Okay, now l a, l minus 3b and l minus c. Time is minus c. Now thinking of a principle of homogeneity, okay, because both side formula has to be same. Mean as much mass this side, the same should be mass this side. Now comparing mass को compare किया, okay, that is b plus c is equal to 0. Bases are same, therefore powers will be equal. Comparing length is a minus 3b minus c. A minus 3b minus c is equal to 1. Okay, like this. Fine. 3b is equal to 1. Okay, and comparing time को compare किया minus c and time minus 1. Okay, now comparing time we are getting minus c is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is your equation 1, 2 and 3. From equation 3 c is equal to 1. From equation 3 c is equal to 1. Now from equation 1 b plus c is equal to 0. Mean b plus 1 is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 1. Now b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. So from equation 2. Now from equation 2. Okay, a minus 3b minus c. Okay, like this. A minus 3b minus c is equal to 1. So a we have to calculate. Minus 3b. Okay, 3 into b is minus 1. Okay, b is minus 1. Then minus c, okay, is equal to 1. a minus 3b minus c is equal to 1. Okay, now a plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, like this. So we are getting a is equal to, ये 3 है, ये रह जाएगा +2, ये उधर जाएगा +2 and then -2 बन जाएगा and we will be getting -1. Now placing values of a, b, c in the relation which you have made. Okay, the relation is, okay, vc is equal to k r raised to the power a density raised to the power b, and eta raised to the power c. Placing value of ABC in the relation now. Vc is equal to K constant r raised to the power A. A is -1, r raised to the power -1. Density raised to the power B. B is again -1, and eta raised to the power C. Eta raised to the power 1. And we are getting the relation as Vc is equal to K, R in denominator, density in denominator, and eta in numerator. This is the relation between critical velocity and these rest of the parameters. Hope this is clear. One more problem, okay, related to conversion of units. Find the value of 100 joule on a system which has 20 centimeter, 250 grams and half minute as fundamental units of length, mass and time. अब यहाँ सिचुएशन थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट किया है उसने. हाउ? दिस इज SI यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी और वर्क डन यू से, ठीक है. लेकिन जो दूसरा सिस्टम दिया हुआ है, दैट सिस्टम इज नॉट अ डिफाइंड सिस्टम. ओके, वो जो सिस्टम है वो सिस्टम उसने अपने आप कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है, कंसीडर किया है. ओके, और उसमें वो क्या कह रहा है कि 20 सेंटीमीटर इज टेकन एज यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ, 250 grams is taken as unit of mass, okay, and half minute is taken as unit of time. okay, ठीक है. मीन SI सिस्टम से मुझे नए सिस्टम में आना है, ओके, विच इज हैविंग यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ 20 सेंटीमीटर, मास 250 ग्राम एंड टाइम हाफ मिनट. नाउ how that this problem, okay, will be solved. We are given with two systems, okay. तो systems start करने के लिए conversion कैसे करते हैं? N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2, okay. Unit system 1, unit system 2. Now, to which quantity the units are belonging? That is either work done or energy. ओके, वर्क डन भी हो सकता है, वर्क डन, ठीक है, और एनर्जी, ठीक है. बोथ आर एनालॉगस टू ईच अदर, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस? mL2T-2. ओके, नाउ प्लेसिंग द कन्वर्जन, ठीक है. N1 U1, सी हियर, N1 U1 यूनिट 1, यूनिट सिस्टम 1 में, ठीक है ना. मास इन द फर्स्ट सिस्टम रेज टू द पावर 1, लेंथ इन द फर्स्ट सिस्टम रेज टू द पावर 2, टाइम इन द फर्स्ट सिस्टम रेज टू द पावर -2 इज इक्वल टू, ठीक, N2 U2. Fine. U2 will be M mass in the second system. Okay. Mass in the second system raised to the power 1. Length in the second system raised to the power 2. And time in the second system raised to the power -2. Okay, now N1 is already given to us. Okay, we are told to convert 100 joules into new system, ठीक है. तो N1 U1, N1 is 100, okay, and unit is joule. Joule is SI unit of work or energy. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे अब? N1 is 100, N1 is 100, mass in the first system, that is SI. ओके, तो SI सिस्टम में हमारा जो मास है that is kg, measured in kg, 1 kg, kilogram raised to 1, length 1 meter raised to 2 time 1 second raised to -2. ओके, नाउ इज इक्वल टू n2 हमें फाइंड करना है। नया सिस्टम, जो सेकंड सिस्टम गिवन है, मास इज गिवन एज 250 ग्राम्स। जो 250 ग्राम मास है ना, उसको यूनिट एज्यूम किया गया है। नाउ लेंथ इज गिवन एज 20 सेंटीमीटर, 20 सेंटीमीटर रेज टू द पावर 2, एंड टाइम इज मेजर्ड एज हाफ मिनट। ओके, हाफ मिनट, 1/2 मिनट रेज टू द पावर -2। ठीक, अब क्या करना है? अब हमें n2 का वैल्यू निकालना है। n2 का वैल्यू इज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड नाउ। n2 इज इक्वल टू, दिस ऑल विल कम इन डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ दिस। ओके, तो ये 100 बना आपका, 100, एंड दिस साइड इज 1 kg ओवर, यहां से मास का यूनिट इसके डाउन साइड पे ले आओ, बिकॉज बोथ हैव सेम पावर, 1 kg, एंड दिस इज 250 ग्राम, 250 ग्राम raised to the power 1. Now length 1 meter over 20 centimeter, fine, raised to 2, half minute. ओके, तो ये डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा 1 सेकेंड ओवर हाफ मिनट, डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा 1/2 मिनट। ओके, तो 1/2 मिनट ही लिख देता हूं, चलो मैं 1/2 मिनट। ओके, रेज टू द पावर -2। फाइन, होप दिस इज क्लियर। नाउ कन्वर्टिंग दीज ऑल, n2 is equal to 100, 1 kg, 1 kg के लिए कितने ग्राम्स बन गए? 1000 ग्राम्स डिवाइडेड बाय 250 ग्राम raised to the power 1. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Because denominator is in centimeters, तो मैं इसको भी स्मॉलर यूनिट्स में ला रहा हूं। 1 meter 100 centimeters. Okay, raised to 2. Now 1 second divided by half minute. Half minute is 30 seconds. Raised to -2. Gram gone, centimeter gone, second gone. Now we have 100, 100. This is 1000 by 250. 1, ये 1000 by 150 बन गया 4, raised to the power 1. 100 by 20, 5 square. Okay, and this is 1/30. 1/30 raised to -2. मैं इसको इन्वर्स कर रहा हूं, 30 बना दिया, तो ये बन गया इसका स्क्वायर, है ना। 1/30 इज -2, तो 30 अगर ऊपर ले जाएं इसको तो इट विल बी 2, पावर इन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। तो n2 जो हमारा बन रहा है, n2 इज इक्वल टू 100 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 25 और मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, ये बना 900, एंड this is equal to 100, 900, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean your n2 has this much value. Okay, so as per question, 100 of the joule is equal to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, new system of units, okay, this is one situation. Okay, now let's discuss how to solve this particular situation. Now, sine of a into y. Fine. Find dimensional formula for a if y is Young modulus of elasticity. Okay. If y is Young modulus of elasticity. First of all, you must be thinking, what is this Young modulus of elasticity? Okay. Now, Young modulus, any modulus of elasticity, okay, is equal to any, okay, any modulus of elasticity is equal to stress over strain. Stress is equal to, as earlier I told you, restoring force per unit area, and strain is dimensionless. So modulus of elasticity is having dimensional formula like restoring force mLT minus 2 divided by L square. This L, and we are getting this as mL minus 1 T minus 2. This is formula for your modulus of elasticity, and the same is formula for Young modulus of elasticity which I require. Okay, now given is sine of a into y, where y is Young modulus of elasticity. Now यहाँ पे जो हमारा concentration point रहेगा, sine of some angle. Okay, this part is defining a angle, sine of theta. Okay, now angle is always dimensionless. Always dimensionless. Always dimensionless. If angle is always dimensionless, then this part is representing angle, mean A into Young modulus of elasticity should be equal to 1 because it is dimensionless. Okay. Now, from here, you can have dimensional formula of A by placing dimensional formula for y. Dimensional formula for y is mL minus 1 T minus 2. So placing that all, we have A is equal to 1 over mL minus 1 T minus 2. Okay. So dimensional formula for A is m minus 1 L1 and T square. जब डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर जाएंगे तो साइंस ऑफ द पावर्स विल गेट ऑपोजिट. तो dimensional formula for A we are getting as this. Hope this is clear. This is not a part of your exercise. Okay, so just concentrate in. Now one more situation. Sine of A plus B eta. Find dimensional formula for A and B if eta is coefficient of viscosity. Now, first of all, dimensional formula for eta, coefficient of viscosity, is mL minus 1 T minus 1, as already we have derived. Now, coming over to main situation, sine of A plus B eta. Now, sine of angle mean A plus B eta is equal to angle A plus B eta is equal to angle. Angle mean dimensionless equal to 1. Okay, so if this angle is dimensionless, then this part has to be dimensionless, this part has to be dimensionless. Dimensionless. This has to be dimensionless, this has to be dimensionless. So A is dimensionless. A is dimensionless. Dimensionless. Okay. Now coming over to B into eta, that will also be dimensionless, is equal to 1. Dimensionless. Dimensionless. Now B is equal to B into eta is equal to dimensionless. B 1 over eta. Okay. 1 over eta mean this implies B is equal to 1 over m L minus 1 T minus 1. Okay. And solving this, we are getting m minus 1 L into T. Okay. So dimensional formula for B is this, and dimensional formula for A is 1. A is 1 and is dimensionless. Okay. So this is the result.